Solve for x. First step, rewrite it as 2 raised to the power 3 so that the two sides of the equation will have the same base. That is 2 raised to the power root x is equal to 2 raised to the power 3x. Cancel the bases. Then equate root x to 3x, that is, root x is equal to 3x. To have like terms in both sides, substitute x for root x times root x. Then we have root x is equal to 3 root x times root x. Bring the variables to one side and equate to 0. That is, root x minus 3 root x is equal to 0. Factor out root x. Then we have root x bracket 1 minus 3 root x is equal to 0. From here, root x is equal to 0. Then we have root x is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Second part, 1 minus 3 root x is equal to 0. 3 root x is equal to 1. Root x is equal to 1 over 3. Take the square of both sides. So we have root x raised to the power 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 over 9. The value of x that satisfies the equation is equal to 0 or 1 over 9.